Welcome to the 13 Market Moves Trading Show, and guys, in this video, October 27th, I'm going to show you how to turn 5K into 25K. With one simple trade, guys, we're actually going to take SPY puts that expire in the next few hours here. So basically, we're interested in taking SPY puts, 457 strike. Actually, we're going to go with 456. Let's go. And we're going to get a bunch of them. We're going to get 200 of these right here, right now at 22 cents. Whoa, about 200 SPY puts that expire in the next 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and add to the position right here, 660, so 30 more. All right, that's fine. Okay, so got 225 contracts of SPY puts that expired today on October 27th, and we're going to hold them for about 2 hours. So the account, we started with 5K, right now 5,300, making about 337 bucks on this trade, guys. So we're going to set some limited orders, though, to scale out of the position. So the first limit order, we're going to take about 10x, 7x. 75 contracts we are going to sell at 1.25. The next 75 contracts I'm going to sell at 1.65. And the third 30% of the position we're going to liquidate at 1.9. On average, it's going to be about $1.50 on 225 contracts. Should give us about 30K. Let's go. 5K to 30K, 25K plus, depending on exactly how we get this order filled. I will keep you guys posted. Beautiful day in the markets. Everything is up like crazy. Google's up 160 bucks. Tesla can't hold the gains. Beautiful bet on Tesla we've put together in the last couple of days. Every time it went to this level of 1,070 bucks. Now this video is just a quick trade on S&P 500 and how to trade that, considering current market conditions and the fact that we're expecting to move 6 going into the close here. So smooth sale, guys, from here, smooth right lower, possible bounce to 45.72, sharp drop, potentially all the way down to 45.45, targeting a 25-point drop. Let's roll. 13 market moves. All right, guys, and 20 minutes later, the account is at 7,100 bucks, and a lot of you would be like right now, well, hey, Lee, I mean, making 2K in 20 minutes wouldn't be a good time to get out. Guys, sure, you would be thinking that because you're clueless about what a move 6 actually represents and the type of trading opportunities move 6 represents within a particular 13 market move sequence. So stay tuned. Let me show you what's about to take place in the real world of trading. Let's roll. All right, guys, fast forward about 30 minutes later. We're at 15,243, October 27th. It is 3:11. We're officially in the money. We're buying them for 21 cents. They're going for 66 cents right now. This is our position right here. So from 21 cents to 64 cents, the account is at 15K, guys. Let's go. Let me show you the chart. So this is how the chart looks, guys, and this is how move 6 looks. And you've got to put all of these moves in terms of the sequence and the context of the market. So, guys, the account is at 16,731. Move 6 is progressing rapidly here. The account is at 17K. 17,647. Pretty soon we will be hitting some of our limit orders that we've set earlier. Let me remind you what they are: 1.25, 165, 190, and 199. Let's roll. 13 market moves, baby. Move 6. Gotta love the moves, guys. Learn them so you can trade better. All right, guys, 3:14 p.m. The account is above 20K, actually right at 21. Hitting the new low for the trading session today, 21,769. So getting pretty close to some of the limit orders we've set here. So now we're 5x up officially in the last 40 minutes, guys. If you don't know how to catch trades like this, guys, the solution is simple. Schedule a call. I mean, you watched enough videos. You know I can do it. You know some of our students can do it. The question is, why aren't you doing it yet? And very close to an execution here on the first 75 contracts. And sometimes the best thing is just to sell them. So let's go ahead and click the order right here on the first, and let's just go ahead and sell them at market. Let's, just in case we get a little bit of a stall out action, we're going to sell them at market right here. The account is at 25,891. So sold them at $1.05. Collected $7,800. The account was at 23,779. Not a perfect fill, but sometimes the market will stall out slightly, just like it did right here. Just a small bounce right here. Before it's going to make a further move lower. All right, guys. 15 minutes from the time we would enter the trade, the account is at 31K. S&P contracts are currently trading at 45.51. 13 market moves wins the next battle with the markets yet again. And for those of you that missed our short Bitcoin video that was highly unpopular at the time, Bitcoin was at 63K. What you don't know is we actually shorted it all the way through 67K, caught the top, and ran it all the way lower here, guys. So if you were highly bullish on Bitcoin and lost money, fuck it. Crypto Star trading course, 13 market moves can help you avoid some silly mistakes like that, and such as being bullish on something when the whole world is bullish on something. You may want to short that. So learn some skills. Don't just follow the crowd. That's the name of the game in trading. And about to sell some more contracts of SPY here right now. We could get a sharp break lower, another 5-10 points for us to cash out. Let's see how close we are to our execution level. So 144. The next one we got set, ready to roll here at 165. So about 20 cents away from executing the next limit order we have set here. We're going to try to be patient for another few minutes here. See if we can actually conquer this level of 45.50. Looks like we're having a slight bounce. So we may want to just collect a little bit right here. Sell these right here. Just 4 contracts here. Not a big deal, but sometimes just pressing the button that gets you winning in the markets. Just press the damn button. All right, so sell some more. I'll sell all of them. Sell 35 at market. I mean, that's about a 600% return, guys, in 50 minutes. So I can't complain about that. All right, so there's the bounce. We may want to consider shorting this bounce shortly, guys. We're going to be back in just a moment. All right, guys, and now we're going to come back in and short the bounce. Now, we're going to change the strike just a little bit. So we're only going to get 60 contracts right here. We think it's going to be a way lower finish here. We don't want to go and buy a way lower strike here. So $1.78. What we just bought is 457 strike, 60 contracts, and the account just turned lower to 20,854. But now we're on track to actually finish at about 35K. So that's our next target, and we're gonna look like we can buy about 10 more right here of these that are in the money. We want to do that. Buy some more. Pretty smooth sailing from here on this move 6, guys. Short the bounces. If you don't know how to short the bounces, guys, learn this valuable skill because it'll certainly make your trading a lot more lucrative. We'll buy that market. Just one more. All right, so now our position is still basically close to where we started, but we own a much better strike now with a lot of downward pressure in the market. So I'm going to close out about between 30 and 40K here in the next 45 minutes, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, and we're playing with this 45.50 level again at right about 10 minutes before market close. And it looks like we are going to break it in the next 20 minutes. So I'm not going to close any positions here. The account is at 34K, and do have some limit orders set there, and Trying to sell these 75 contracts here at $1.90. Now we're buying them for 21 cents. They're currently going for $1.40. So all we need is just about a 5-10 point drop. These will be executed right here, and we're going to wait patiently for that to happen. 13 market moves. Don't panic. Put your fear aside. Trade fearlessly. Trade like a rock star. Let's go. All right, and it is officially 4 minutes until the market closed. The account is at 42K. We did break that level of 45.50, at least for now, briefly. We're at 46.75. Easily got another 6 points worth of room, maybe 8. Best case scenario, about 10 points in the next 20 minutes. So we're still going to hold on to the position. All right, so looks like some of the contracts just got sold. So we're at 4.56. They're going for $1.87 to $2. And we sold some of them, not a ton of them, but just sold about 15 of them. So still got 40 contracts here that we're buying for 21 cents that we just sold for $1.90. You do the math, that is easy. 9x trade, 900% that is. And we're up slightly on these guys. Remember, on the bounce, I got in and bought these 71 contracts, so we're making $7,800 here. Still holding on. We should be able to close out the rest of this position here shortly. Yeah, we are going to close out that entire position in the 450-60 puts at $1.90. Looks like here. All right, the account is at 45K, so we want to lighten up. Okay, these 456, these 40 contracts, we're going to sell 20 of them right now, and basically selling them at $2. Sold them at $1.99. Done, done, done. 202. That's the exit. All right, let's go ahead and sell these right now. Market 20 more. 194. Not as good of a feel, but it's done. It's handled. Okay, so we're done for the day, guys. Officially, we've taken 5K to 42K for the day. Now, our position is still running here on these contracts right here. Still have 71 of these contracts open, and I got a limit order set right here to sell them at 3.4. So we're not very far out. They're currently going for about $3, 3.14, 3.10. I'm going to switch it slightly. I'm going to adjust it to about 3.2. See if we can get a fill there and call it a day. All right, guys, so we will have to close them just at a slightly lower price, so we are going to try to get maybe $2.99 for them. Okay, fine, we'll just close them at market. Let's go. Okay, done. 286. Not as good as planned, but bottom line, guys, on this trade, let me summarize the SPY trade. We basically took 5K to 41K. And the way you do that, guys, is by understanding the market move first. You got to calculate it ahead of time. Then you've got to calculate your entry, which we talk a lot about in our Crypto Star course, which technically is about crypto and trading Bitcoin, but it mainly focuses, 99% of the course really focuses on helping you identify perfect entries and exit opportunities. So as you can see, we have entered the position right here on S&P 500, right here. Understand that there's going to be an outsized move going into the close of the trading session, which has allowed us to purchase these contracts at incredibly low price of just 20 cents a contract. Now, you have seen me actually scale out of the various positions, and we're buying these contracts, the 456 for 20 cents. We're selling them. We started selling them at $1.05 when we were 5X. We've sold some more at $1.28. We've sold some more. The final sell price on this was above $2, which means we've really nailed, within 2 hours of trading, we have nailed a 10x trade, which is a 1,000% return. As you can see, as far as money-wise, based on what we had invested in the trade, we've materialized a gain of $29,736. Now, as soon as the trade bounced against us, we're still trading an overall downtrend in a move 6 into the last part of the trading session. And that produced an extra gain when we shorted the bounce. We actually switched the strike price. We went with a slightly higher strike price here. Instead of going with a 456, we actually switched the strike price to a more secure and safe strike price of 457. And that gave us an additional gain of $7,836 for a total gain for the day of 37K, almost 38K, 37.5. So guys, if you are not able to pinpoint these sort of entry opportunities, as a matter of fact, you never thought this shit was even possible, guys, you're missing the boat. It's all about entries and exits when you trade, but 90% of your trading time should be invested in analyzing the charts and expecting a certain pattern to play out. You certainly have to understand the 13 market move sequence to be able to nail trades like this. So if you're new to 13 market moves, or maybe you've been watching for a while but you haven't taken action, guys, I invite you to take action right now. Simply go to 13marketmoves.com, sign up there. And first and most important, guys, if you don't understand charts, if you don't understand the basic idea of some of the reversal trend patterns, some of the simple stuff that makes you a lot of money, I would encourage you to start with the charts divergence pattern recognition course. Now, if you're struggling with your entries and exits, definitely get the Crypto Star course. And if maybe you have taken some courses, but you're having a little bit of difficulty getting some traction, nailing trades like this, the solution is simple. What you want to do is you want to schedule a call. Just schedule a call with a senior trader here at 13 Market Moves. Talk to a senior trader and finally get a break from with your trading. I mean, some of you guys, you've been trading for 5 years. Some of you have been trading for 5 days. Some of you have been trading for 30 years. If you cannot nail trades like this, there's definitely something that we can help you with here at 13 Market Moves. So let's go. Take action today. I'll catch you guys in the next trade soon. Let's roll.